Sorry, y'all, my camera turned off. I'm still right here, trying to see. Look. You see it down there? What the heck is that? I'm gonna get closer. Yeah, I think he's going to bed now. Okay. Yeah, so this is gonna have to be a part 2 thing, because some kind of firmware update came on my tablet, and I had to wait for that to load for like an hour, and now I'm back. Tristan's still making his video. I don't know how. He probably paused it. I'm gonna look under one of these bricks. Nope. Nothing this time. There's literally not one thing in here. There's a spider just crawling around right here, but whoa. So I checked under that. There's nothing in there. I wonder what I can look up. Hi. Alright, I'm just gonna go back to fishing with. Are you still making it? Are you done?
I'm done.
Look. Look. Yeah. Put some music to it, Tristan.
I am. I did have music.
Hey, I'm gonna help him out picking music.
No, I already got the music. See?
Probably all the way up.
It is all the way up. Just outside. Hey. Right? So.
Alright, on with my video. Yeah, I couldn't find any worms, so I'm just gonna keep on going with what I got. I'll set y'all back down. Hopefully y'all can still see.